track today.
Yo, what's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Usin. Welcome to the OBT show, man. Only big time. As you know, I'm always my big time, man.
What do you do? Big timers, welcome to the podcast. Hey, before we start today's video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell. How you doing today, Us?
Bro, you can see I'm freezing right now, bro. I'm not even
Yeah,
playing this
you
shit.
that cold?
Bro, I'm telling you, I don't know who made this place, but we need some heat. It's a winter. They keep putting the AC on, man.
That's
I'm telling you, bro. They
It's
keep putting the
actually
AC on,
getting
man.
cold, man.
I'm good, but bro, it's cold in this country, bro.
Yeah.
It's cold in this place, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Like, before we, talk about today's videos, I just wanted to know, what's going on in college soccer right now. Obviously, all the conference are, over.
Pretty much over.
Moving
Like,
to a national,
yeah.
But, we had, I had a conversation with a friend of mine, he was, he's in high school and he was asking me like, oh, Larry, like, what's the best path, to play college soccer? Is it to go D1, D2, D3, NAIA, JUCO? Like, what's the best path? What would you recommend? What for you are the criteria in order to choose what's the best path for you for college soccer when it comes to college soccer?
To be honest, bro, it just depends what you're on. It just depends what are you looking for. Like, there is no best. I don't think there is a best path for anybody.
Yeah.
It just depends what's your interest. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you just wanna go play like at the highest level you can.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you like I'm losing the word, but like I don't wanna get you guys confused. But what I mean by is like, if you somebody like just gonna go to college for the experience and have fun, and like soccer is just the second thing, I don't think at that point it really matter. It can go anywhere, you know what I'm saying? Like, but if you're somebody that really like wanna do this thing, you really wanna play, you might wanna do something out of it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it depends on the program you're into. Like, you know what I'm saying?
That's true. But I would say I definitely agree with you. At the end of the day, you gotta go for what you really believe into more. But I think there's actually criteria that as an athlete you're gonna consider as an athlete moving forward to play college, because and I kind of like divided in three different criteria, which is the socially criteria, which is the culture, the campus, if everything suits you, like the location,
Whatever
and
fit
then
for you, like whatever fit. Like,
whatever fit for you, like exactly the right
environment you
campus
fit
and
in.
the team culture. And then the second part, the second criteria is academically. Like, do they have the major? Does that
major,
school
yeah.
fit, post college, graduate day? Is it, And then the third, one of my third criteria are the athletically point, which is the playing time, the level of play, and
like
as I
the
said,
coach, you know what I'm saying?
exactly,
Like,
and social.
practices.
Go ahead.
No, go ahead. I'm just saying, like,
And then I would start by talk about the first point, which is socially. So I think you gotta get to know your coach. You gotta you gotta know if you like your coach or not. If you like the location of the campus, if you like the school where you are, if you like your friend.
But like I get what he's saying.
It's
right
important.
Now. I get what he's saying now, but like, don't let's not get off the subject.
Yeah, exactly. I get
It's
it.
like, which one is the best path for you? Like, you know what I'm saying?
D1, D3. Well, before we make that choice, obviously, you gotta go to a college, right?
Depend on people.
How you gonna just pick D3, D2 before going to a college? Why do we have campus to new coming?
That's what I'm saying. Some people don't like visiting to campus. Like myself, I don't like visiting place because I feel like there is some school. Before like my junior college.
Yeah.
If I would have visited before I went there, I wouldn't even go. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I just like going and discuss, be surprised of whatever is there. Like, to be honest,
man.
I'm telling you, bro. Like, even here, like SSU before I transfer, like they're like, yeah, you wanna come visit on internet? I say, I'm good, bro. I will just go there and figure it out. Because if you visit and you don't like it, now you messed up. Because now, like, I'm just start thinking like, I just go, bro, and then whatever happen.
Definitely,
everybody's different.
Yeah, there's definitely people like you, but
Some people I know. Most people like to.
More people like to visit, of course, and then you gotta know if you like, if the training and if you like your
environment,
your teammates and everybody, you get to meet them, you talk to them, that's one of the point. And then the second point is the academically point. So because I think it's really important for those players to go actually for a major they like, even though they're there for soccer or not. I think it's good to do it for the major they like. And even though they go for the major they like, dude, your coaches care about you graduating, or he only care about your playing time and how you play? Does he care? Does the school has a structure like a tutoring, like somebody that help those students to do their homework? Do they have study hall and all that? So I think it's all matters. It all matters. Your GPA matters, because you know, what if you're not on scholarship? What
but
if you gotta pay money?
But I get everything. I get everything you say right now, right? But like the question like is what is the best path for you think in college?
Like the best path for me, well, you gotta go what fits you. At the end of the day, you gotta go with what fits you, socially, academically, and athletically.
Okay, but in your opinion, what's the best?
Well, path? you always want to go for the highest. Everybody want to go D1. I mean, let's be honest. Everybody want to go D1, but now you get to the D1 level where you play with people that play with, you know, that has been to academy their whole youth. They play for the national teams, the youth of the national teams, and then you get there, you know, are you okay with you being on the bench? That's a question you gotta ask yourself. How much of a playing time do you want?
Because guys, like, there is two things. Do not get confused, bro. There is being in the team and playing in the team.
Exactly.
That's two different
things. You know it's two different things.
Because people be like, yeah, I'm in this team. But
exactly.
Are you playing though?
Are you playing though?
You know what I'm saying?
Are you playing though?
I'm not coming for nobody. You know what I'm saying? Like, even myself, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
That's what like, when some people ask me, do you play in this team? I'm like, no, I'm in the team. You know what I'm saying? Like, there is two different though. So I'm saying, don't get confused.
Don't get confused. It's good to play D1. We all want to go D1, but listen.
It's good to wear all the gear and everything.
If you can go D2, D3, and actually carry, I would say, help your teammate, help the school, put your name out there
and
improve. I mean, go there.
It's possible too. Like,
put your name over there at the top player of the school of all time.
But this is what he said right now. At the end of the day, like, it doesn't matter where you are. You just like what kind of player you are.
Exactly. Of course.
I'm saying, like, at the end of the day, it's a player.
It's a player.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a player.
Like,
but at the same time, you can be a good player, but if you go against better than you gonna be benching, bro. You go bench.
Or you can learn and improve.
Or you can learn and improve.
It just depend. That's what I'm saying. Depend on the player. You know what I'm saying? Like,
and then how long is the learning part is gonna take? Because college is just 4 years.
But if you come your freshman year, but if you come a junior year, still learning, my friend.
If you know you want to start from your junior year, that's all you do.
Go and take your coach degree, man.
There's also the JUCO pathway, so because I think it's important to mention out there for people that
really important, bro. For most of the guys, like, if you want to go G1, like, and you're in high school right now,
consider JUCO, y'all.
Bro, JUCO is really important.
Consider JUCO because first of all, you spend less money, and you competing,
and you have a chance to play.
It's a good level,
and you have a chance to play too.
D1 coaches actually looking for these best All-American JUCO and those best players, pretty much. So, like, if you gotta go JUCO, you have to go there to put your name out there because you were not the best in high school. Go there and then showcase your talent.
Of course, man.
Yeah. So you know,
like I'm saying, like, I just feel like be honest yourself as a player. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody can say, yeah, like, Larry's a good player. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't want to be mean to you.
Yeah.
But Larry as a player, you gotta be honest to yourself.
You gotta be honest to yourself.
You know what he can do.
You know what you can do.
Of course, you can always improve. But, like, you cannot, you know what I'm saying, there is a limit to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, not limit, but there is a certain point, like, you reach your peak.
You reach
your
peak. Like, they say you reach your peak.
You know what I'm saying? If you reach your peak in high school, like,
yeah, definitely. So
just be honest to yourself.
And you can also mention that, you know, it's good to go play at you know, D1, D3. At the end of the day, you just trying to
enjoy the game, bro.
You just trying to enjoy and feel welcome. And
then, like, you were saying too, like, I know we had this conversation about, you were saying too, like, there is some people, like, the level really doesn't matter, bro, because there is some people that play in D3, like you said, that can play in D2. They have like, you just whatever fit for you,
whatever feel good for you. It's not. People tend to see, like, okay, if you play D3, you're not good enough.
Hell no.
Exactly. Like, but that's a stereotype. There's actually D3 guys that can actually start in hella D1 teams.
Sure.
So you can't just you can't judge based
on. But you know, like,
school
some of the guys when they go to D3, like, they're just going for school, like
Yeah, most of
mainly,
the
you know what
time.
I'm saying, most
Yeah,
of the
most
time, but
of
like, not all of them, but mainly.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, like, and like one thing too, like if you're in high school or not college, and you wanna be honest to yourself, you can send us your video. We can watch your whole video for you. We can make your highlights, send
Yeah.
it to you, post it. If you got a highlight, send it to us, and we're gonna be honest to you, bro. Big time,
Big time
or not
or
big
not
time.
big
We're gonna
time.
let you know,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Let them know. We're gonna let you know. If you
Hey.
not,
Follow, hey, we're gonna put our email in the description. Hey, hit our email, send us your highlights, showcase your talent. We're gonna put your talent out there. You
Yeah,
know,
we
big
gonna-
time or not big time, we're gonna let you
and
know.
and if you need opinion, we can watch the whole
We're
game.
gonna
Let
help
you
you
know,
out
man.
with your game. We're about to drop our workout videos. You know, workout videos.
Get ready
coming
for it,
soon, you
man.
know.
Strong
We're gonna
legs.
help you.
Asaka play need some strong
Soccer
legs, yo.
player needs some strong calls.
So Larry, bro, we're gonna have to wrap up this for the big timers. You know,
Yep. So before we end the video, please hit the subscribe button.
Button.
If you like the video, hit the like button,
Make sure
comment,
you share,
let us know
man.
what you guys think. What do you think is the best pathway to go college? D1, D3,
in the
D2,
comment, man.
JUCO, NAIA. Let us know.
Alright,
Because
guys,
at the end of the day, we're just trying to play the sport we love.
and have fun, bro.
Yep.
OBT only big time. Let's get it.